Today topic English for talking to friends. मैम, स्कूल में फ्रेंड्स से हम ये बातें रोज़ करते हैं. इंग्लिश में नेचुरली कैसे कहेंगे? Great, you ask, but everyone watching has to guess the English before I answer. मैम, तुम क्या कर रही हो? इंग्लिश में से कैसे कहेंगे? What are you doing? कहाँ जा रही हो? Where are you going? मेरा इंतज़ार करो. Wait for me. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. मुझे भी साथ ले चलो. Take me with you. तुमने ये कैसे किया? How did you do that? मुझे भी बताओ. Tell me too. तुम मजाक कर रही हो? Are you kidding? चलो कुछ खाने चलते हैं. Let's go grab something to eat. मुझे तुमसे एक बात करनी है. I need to talk to you. तुम इतने चुप क्यों हो? Why are you so quiet? And don't translate every word. Learn the whole expression as you would actually hear it in conversation. Learn it today, use it today. See you in day 8. Before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Stay connected with us for more easy to learn English videos. Keep learning, keep growing, and I shall see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.